I'm sure you've heard the news. Your iPhone 12 deserves a fresh ringtone. Let's get you set up in no time. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Under the Sounds and Vibration Patterns section, tap on Ringtone. Now here comes the fun part. You'll see a list of ringtones. Tap any option to preview it and select the one you like. Once you've tapped on a ringtone, it's automatically set as your default. Want even more options? Tap Tone Store at the top to browse and purchase additional ringtones from the iTunes Store. And that's it. Your new ringtone is now set and ready to rock whenever you get a call.